does.
Hopefully.
Hi, welcome to Don's Manufactory.
Yep.
You gotta aim it at me though.
Oh, whoops. This is my first time using this thing, so.
Yeah, okay.
But
Welcome to Don's Manufactory. We just fired up Betsy and we're on our way to beaches, cars and coffee, and drag racing at PIR maybe, I don't know. That's it, and we gotta get going.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Well, there's a shot of Betsy on the rack. And hey, you know, my roughing in of the front end worked pretty good. Camber was dead on. Caster was off about 0.3 of a degree on the passenger side and about 0.5 degree on the driver's side. 0.3, that was like 30 thousandths difference on the shim packs on the passenger side. And Betsy drove really well on the way home.
All right, we're here. We made it. Donnie's excited to race. Just kidding.
Yeah, oh, yeah, you're aiming at me.
I was aiming at you.
Oh heavens, I was driving.
I know.
Yes, we are here at lovely PIR, but we'll be going around the back side of the bleachers here. And parking Betsy in amongst, I don't know, the Mustangs or the cool kids. I don't know. We may go to the cool kids spot. I just don't know.
Yeah, we'll see. It's not too busy yet, so.
Not too busy. All the cars that are racing are lined up, and it looks like there's going to be a lot of cars racing tonight.
It'll be fun, and it's gorgeous out. So, I'm just excited to get a hot dog. All right, we'll keep you posted.
Oh, there.
More cars to come.
There's the crowd. See, you can see them. We're coming up on the cool cars now.
Okay, maybe I'll get a closer up view of them when we go in. Really funny when you see all this footage. Oh yeah, this is fun. So many cool cars. We made it. Say hi, Donnie.
Oh, hi, Donnie.
There's so many cool cars here. Like,
Illness.
What?
Ain't that the truth?
yeah.
So here's just a few shots of some rigs we just, took interest in looking at. Yes, my wife has always wanted a 69 Camaro. And yes, Desiree loves Jeeps. And I still toy with the idea of getting a 69 or 70 Mustang. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little romp. It was pretty short, but we had fun. If you'd like me to do more of that, I don't know. I thought about running around with the camera and interviewing people and showing their cars and stuff, but I don't know, felt kind of intrusive. So I just didn't drag out the camera and take more shots than that. In fact, my daughter took more shots than I did. The beaches cruising here in Portland is quite a big deal. It's not only just cars gathering, but there's live music and vendors and drag racing going on. Although we did not get to drag race because the timing computer was down. So all the drag racers got ready and they're all sitting around with their race cars sitting in the pits, and no timing. It's not even worth making a run down the strip because it's a points meet, and why put the wear and tear on your car if you're not gaining anything? You're not gaining in your standing or, actually competing. Anyway, it's really a big deal. So I would guess there was probably 500 cars there, maybe a bit more. It was the entire pit area plus all the grass around the paddock and behind the bleachers. I don't know how many acres that property is, but it was completely full, and you could see that from the video. Maybe I'll have to do a better job of representing it. It was the first one, opening one for the season, so there was a lot of cars there. pretty interesting ones. Let's see. Now for the bad news. Well, Betsy got her first ding. And no, it's not a parking lot ding or whatever. It's all my fault. I was sharpening the blade on the lawnmower, and it had gotten bent. And so I was trying to straighten it, and the thing's made out of spring steel, and I pulled the car out, but I didn't pull it all the way out and close the door. I figured it was at a safe distance, but it wasn't. And you can see right here. Yeah, there it is. Nice, great, big ding right on the hood. So now I got to come up with a repair for that. But, you know, oh, what the hey. It's another YouTube video, if nothing else. Almost made me cry. Anyway, that's it for Don's Manufactory. I'll catch you later.